Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the oil and oil filter on this Hyundai i30. This particular model is 2014. I'm just going to take you under the car. Here is the hatch for the drain plug. So that is the drain plug for the oil. Right, so we're going to be using a 17mm socket to undo the drain plug. There we go. Right, so while the oil is draining, we're gonna change the oil filter. So the oil filter location is just here. To make our life easier, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the engine cover. In order to remove the oil filter housing, we're gonna be using a 27mm socket. There we go. There we go. So that's the oil filter fully removed. Just gonna pull it out from here in this manner. Just going to clean the housing. Here comes the new oil filter. We're using Crossland make. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna remove the old O-ring. Funny thing is that the old oil filter housing didn't have the O-ring here. There should have been an O-ring here and here. So this one is present, but this one is missing. There we go. So just gonna slide in the new filter in this manner. Hear the click. Then there are two O-rings to fit. This is the oil sump washer. Just gonna fit this O-ring in here. There we go. So the bigger O-ring goes here in this manner. Perfect. Okay, so this filter is ready to go back in. I'm gonna hand tighten it to start off with. Just gonna tighten the housing. So the torque on this housing shouldn't be more than 35 Newton meters. That's the housing fully secured. So now we are ready to put the cover back on. So the cover goes on is like this. Just gonna press it down. There we go. So that's the oil filter nicely been replaced on this i30. Right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fit the oil drain plug onto the oil sump, and also what we're going to do is we're going to add a copper washer so that there isn't any leakage from the oil sump area. There we go friends, that's the oil sump drain plug nicely secured. Right, so the last thing we're going to do is we're going to fill the engine up with the fresh oil. On this Hyundai i30, the oil capacity is 5.3 liters of engine oil. So just going to do that now. Just going to place in the funnel. The oil we are using is Silver Hook petrol or diesel engine oil 5W30. So this is a fully synthetic engine oil. So this bottle has the capacity of 5 liters. So there's 5 liters here, and then we're going to add another 0.3 liters of engine oil from the same make. So that's the 5 liters of engine oil already gone into the car. Now we're gonna add another 0.3 liters of engine oil. We had the oil left over from previous service. Just gonna check the oil level. The oil level is at max. That's the oil filter and the oil nicely been replaced on this i30. I hope you find my videos helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.